Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create this pink halo smoky eye look. You can wear this look on Karwa Chauth, Diwali or during upcoming wedding season. This is very soft yet glam makeup look. So if you want to know how to create this look, then please keep on watching. So before starting the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. So now let's start the video. For primer today I'm going to use my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It is very moisturizing on the skin and also makes your makeup last longer. So if you have a dry skin, try this one. Next I'm using my Benefit Professional to fill in my pores. It has a bit of peach tint, so it helps in color correcting as well. For foundation today, I am going to use my NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Medium 1 Punjab. Firstly, I am going to dot the foundation on my face and then I am going to blend it with my Morphe buffing brush. I recently bought this foundation and I am really enjoying it. This foundation has a natural finish and has a medium to buildable coverage. So if you are looking for a good high-end foundation, you can try this one. Next, I am using my Benefit Brows Inks in the shade 6 to fill in the gap in my brows. So firstly, I am gonna fill in the gaps with a wax and then I am gonna set it with a powder. This product is very pigmented, so keep this in mind. I must say, Benefit Cosmetic never disappoint with their brow products. Then I'm gonna clean up my brows with some concealer. This will make your brows to look more defined and clean. Then with a damp sponge, I'm going to blend the concealer. Then I'm using my MAC paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre to prep my eyelids for the upcoming eyeshadows. Then I'm going to set it with some loose powder. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Nude palette. Firstly, I'm going to take this light pink color on a big blending brush and I'm going to apply this on socket of my eyes. I'm applying the color in a circular motion. I'm building up the color slowly into my crease. Guys, if you want a smooth and well blended eye look, then take your time while blending and applying eyeshadows. It makes a lot of difference. And then I'm going to apply the same color on my outer and inner corner of my eyes. Then from my Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to take this reddish plumish color on a small blending brush and I'm going to apply this on outer and inner corner of my eyes to further deepen it up. And then with a big fluffy brush, I'm going to blend the harsh edges. Then I'm taking this hot pink color and I'm going to apply this on outer and inner corner of my eyes to add some more definition. Then whatever pigment is left on my brush, I am going to blend this on my crease. To further deepen up the outer and inner corner of my eyes, I am going to take these two dark plum colors from my Huda Beauty palette and I am going to blend this on my eyes. This step is optional. If you want, you can skip this step. For this look, I want my outer and inner corners to be dark enough so that my middle shade would pop up more. And then with my big fluffy brush, I'm going to blend the edges. Now with some concealer, I'm going to clean the center of my eyelid. Then I'm going to use this beautiful rose gold color from my Huda Beauty palette and I'm going to apply this on center of my eyelid. Then with this plum color, I'm going to blend the harsh edges. Then I'm taking this beautiful glitter from the palette and I'm going to apply this on center of my eyelid. If you don't like glitter, then skip this step. So now let's finish the face makeup. For that, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium and I'm going to apply this under my eyes, on bridge of my nose, my forehead, on my cupid bow, my chin, and I'm also going to apply this under the hollow of my cheeks. To blend the concealer into my skin, I'm using my Real Technique Damp Sponge.
Ocean blue, I came home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Don't you leave now.
Then I'm using my milk bronzer in the shade Baked, and I'm going to apply this on all of my cheeks, my forehead, my jawline, and on my nose.
I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me, I won't be surprised.
Then to set my concealer and foundation, I'm using my Becca loose powder.
If you leave, I'll wear a disguise. Darling, won't you wait for me? Tonight I won't.
Then to set the cream bronzer, I'm going to use my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to use the middle shade, and I'm going to apply this on all of my cheeks, my forehead, my jawline, and on my nose.
Be coming home for tea.
For blush today, I'm going to use my Marc Jacob blush in the shade Night Fever, and I'm going to apply this on ample of my cheeks. Then I'm using my Ofra Cosmetic highlighter in the shade Blissful, and I'm going to apply this on highest point of my face, that is my cheekbones, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my cupid bow, and on my chin. And then to set my base, I'm using my MAC Cosmetic Fix Plus. Then I'm using my Stila Cosmetic Nude Eyeliner, and I'm going to apply this in my waterline. And to tightline, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Black Eyeliner Pencil. Then I'm taking these two dark plum color on a small blending brush, and I'm going to smudge that along my lower lash line. Then I'm taking this light pink color, and I'm going to blend the previous two shades. Then I'm taking this dark plum color, and I'm going to apply this as my eyeliner today. To highlight my inner corners and brow bone, I'm going to use the same highlighter which I've used on my face. For lip liner, I'm going to use my MAC Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Soar. I'm going to line and fill in my lips with this. Then for lipstick, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Trophy Vibe. Then I'm going to curl my lashes with my lash curler. And then I'm using some mascara to coat my lashes.
Come home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Won't you leave now? It's my
To finish up the look, I'm using my Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Fenty Glow.
time to go.
So this is the final look, guys. I really like how this look turned out. I hope you also enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.